The powerhouse of the golden milk, the game's name is curcumin, the active component of turmeric which puts this cousin of ginger on a whole new level. You can bid your coughs goodbye as you enjoy a cup of turmeric milk, and it's simple to prepare. All you need is turmeric powder, milk, a pinch of black pepper, a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of honey. You may use maple syrup if that's how you roll. The combination of these ingredients with turmeric boosts the efficacy of golden milk. Your heart, bones, and blood sugar will thank you. Your whole body will never be the same.